Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video I'll be showing you this lovely bow tie slash butterfly bag. So I'll be showing you the making. This is the second part, the second phase of this tutorial. So please guys, go and watch the part one. The part one is actually the pattern. It is a well detailed pattern where we have the measurement and so on. So please go back and watch the part one. This is the part two of this tutorial. So guys, to for this project I'll be making use of leather padding. Leather padding is what I'll be making use of. So I'm just going to use this my pattern to sketch it out of my leather padding, and after that I'm actually going to double the leather padding to be doubled. So I'm going to double it and I'm going to use my fabric to wrap it. So for the fabric I'm making use of Duchess fabric. That is what I'm making use of for this particular project. Guys, this lovely bag is from Canada. Like my clients, which I'm making this bag for, I mean the order is from Canada anyways. So please guys, make sure you watch this tutorial from beginning to the end for a better understanding. It is a well detailed tutorial. This is the second phase of this tutorial, so please make sure you watch the third part of this tutorial. This tutorial is a well detailed tutorial where you will learn a lot from. Guys, so the next thing is to apply my gum. Please, this is the way you should apply your gum. Don't use you just have to use a brush or just use something to apply the gum to the leather padding, and then just place it on the fabric just the way you're seeing it, exactly this way. Please make sure you make sure you actually make your bag like this. Yeah, so and the next thing is to just gum my leather padding to my leather padding as well. Yeah, and I'm just going to cut out the fabric and then wrap everything together. The next thing for me to do now is to start working on the tie, the bow tie. Guys, looking at this bag, do you think I should call it a bow tie or a butterfly bag? Please, you can please kindly tell me what you want me to call this bag. You can drop your comment below. Thank you. So I'm just going to apply gum to the leather padding as well. I'm using leather padding for the bow tie or the butterfly, whatever. So I'm using leather padding, so I'm just going to apply gum to it neatly and then glue it to the Duchess. Now I'm through gumming everything separately, so I'm just going to bring them together. So two will be one And so I've applied gum to it. I'm just going to glue everything neatly. You have to be careful in this aspect. I mean, extremely careful. Don't forget you're working with fabric. This is not leather. You have to be very, very careful because your job has to be very, very neat. It has to come out, it has to be very, very neat. So I'm almost through. I'm just going to glue, my bow tie, just I'm just going to glue everything. Just glue everything. Just take just take it two, and bring those two into one. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. So you're just going to glue it just like this. You're just going to glue two together to make it one. I'm done wrapping everything together. I mean, guys, this is the exciting aspect of this particular bag. I mean, exciting aspect. So now I'm going to go into stoning. Yeah, so this is the stone I'll be making use of for this project. So you guys can see how beautiful the stone looks. I got this in Lagos, Nigeria, Oshodi. That is where I got the stone. It's a very quality stone, and it's very, very very, very beautiful. So I'm just using this palette to arrange, to give it that great design. And I'm just going to heat it up with the stoning machine to make the stone, I want it to be very glued to the fabric. So I'm just going to use the stoning machine and also to heat the fabric as well to make it look very nice and beautiful. So guys, we're almost through. I hope you guys are loving this. Oh my god, gosh, man, guys. Please, if you like this video, give me a beautiful like and a comment and a nice comment. Just give me a nice comment on the comment section if you like this video. So the next thing I'm going to do is to skive the tip of this of the leather padding and also the fabric. So I'm just going to reduce the thickness of it because I want it to look, I don't want it to be bulky. I want it to look nice and beautiful, and I also want the gumming aspect to glue each other very well. So I'm just going to use my skiving. I don't have a skiving machine anyways, so I do it manually. So I make use of a blade to to skive the thickness of my bag. Guys, please watch this aspect carefully, and also I will be glad to see a lot of people doing the same design with me. It would be a thing of joy to see my subscribers doing a beautiful bag and showing me this beautiful bag. So guys, see the bow tie. Oh my gosh, like this is so beautiful. Like, you guys have no idea. It's a lot of work anyways, but trust me, it's a very, very beautiful design. So I'm just going to apply my glue. After you skive it, you apply your gum, you stitch it, then you apply your glue to that aspect, to that area. Then after that, I'm just going to punch where I'll be stitching using my puncher, using my fork anyway, and also my hammer. So I'm just going to punch 3 holes to the left, 3 holes to the right, and I'll be making use of hand stitch for this aspect. I'll be making use of a nice hand stitch to make this bag. So the next thing I'm going to do is to glue the I don't know if I should call it a tie. Okay, let me just say a tie. I'm just going to glue this around it. You have to apply your gum very well and make sure it is dry before you actually glue it together. You can see how I am doing it. You do it exactly the way I am doing it right now. So guys, I'm making 2 of this bag. And oh my god, you guys see the outcome now. The outcome is really nice. Like, I'm so glad I was able to give it my all. I mean, the bag is really beautiful. So the next thing is, I mean, I'm still stitching, right? So you just have to stitch it. Make sure when you stitch it, the thread are not showing outside. Like, people can't see the thread, they can't even see if you actually stitch or glue it. That is the beauty of this bag. Everything has to be kept hidden. Like, the thread shouldn't show outside, you know. So guys, after using my thread and after sewing it, then I'm just going to go to the interior of this bag. So guys, watch out for the third part of this video. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for all you do for me. I love you all. See you in my next video.